1949 Chevrolet 3100 5-window pickup in its patina look. But underneath the hood, 348 V8 powered 700 R4 automatic with overdrive transmission. So a little modern drivetrain, still running on more of a stock suspension setup, and does have a straight axle up front. One of the techs that drove this did note has a little bit of bump steer, FYI. I wanted to pass that on to you. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the engine bay, check out the underside, interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see a little bit of newer bright work added up front, but overall, sticking with that original patina look. Power steering as far as equipment, also underneath the hood. Has had red vinyl seat reupholstered. Other than that, stock looking dash with the exception of new Dolphin gauges and wiring. We're going to get around to the driver's door, start it up, let you hear it run. Of course, there's those 3 rear back windows completing the 5-window cab. Step side box. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Older wood box, and you can see there's some wood missing up in the front. Again, going with that just natural, off the farm, out of the grove, patina looking truck. But again, remember, 348 underneath the hood with that automatic with overdrive transmission. And again, still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And as you can see, riding on newer BF Goodrich radials. Steel wheels with the chrome moonies, if you will, I guess. All right, let's check out this interior a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. It's kind of retaining a natural look to the inside of the vehicle also. Where the seating frame and everything is, but then decent red vinyl upholstery. Does have a tilt column here. You can see that. Let's go ahead and fire it up. And also 4,900, is it 4,921 as far as miles. That's kind of since the build and the engine and stuff was put in. There we go. You can see I have a tachometer over here. Gauges are working. Let it warm up a second. It'll come down off the higher idle. Just a cool stock looking dash. Wow. There we go. Get out that high idle. Door closes nicely. Slip around here so you can hear that 348. Nice little rumble coming out of that V8. Definitely a sleeper truck once you open this hood. Wait till you see this. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. I'm going to take both hands. Let me get this hood open and we'll check out the...
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is. So aluminum radiator. We have HEI ignition back there. Again, 348. Power steering down there. I don't know if you can quite see the top of it or not. And it was finished off underneath the hood here in case anybody ever wants to finish off the exterior of this truck, which you can sure do. Or, hey, drive it the way it is, have some fun. Sounds good, looks good underneath there. 1949 Chevrolet 3100, 348 underneath the hood. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.